In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks on your computer. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official QuickBooks download page. It's important to use the official site so you're getting the correct installer directly from the source, which helps avoid outdated files or unsafe downloads from third-party websites. Once you're on the download page, locate the installer for your version of QuickBooks and begin the download. Depending on your browser, the file may appear at the bottom of the screen or in your Downloads folder. When the download is complete, open the installer file called QuickBooks.exe to begin the setup process. After the installer launches, you may see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that appears, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. QuickBooks will then open the setup window and guide you through the process. At this stage, choose Express Install. This is the recommended option for most standard users because it automatically installs QuickBooks using the most common settings. It's the easiest and fastest choice if you don't need to customize where the program is installed or adjust advanced options. Once Express Install is selected, click Next to move forward. You'll then be prompted to enter your license number and product number. Make sure you type these in carefully, exactly as provided with your QuickBooks purchase, since even a small typo can prevent activation or installation from completing properly. If you copied this information from a purchase confirmation or product page, it can help to paste it in rather than typing it manually, as long as the formatting stays correct. Take a quick moment to review both entries before continuing. Once everything looks good, click Install. QuickBooks will begin copying files and configuring the program on your system. This part may take a few minutes, so just let it run without closing the installer. During installation, it's best to avoid restarting your computer or opening unnecessary applications so the setup can finish smoothly. When the installation is complete, you'll be asked to reboot your PC. Go ahead and restart your computer to finalize the setup. This helps ensure all components are properly loaded and that QuickBooks is ready to run correctly the next time you open it. After your computer comes back on, QuickBooks should be installed and ready for use.